This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to launch a Porsche 911. First, make sure your car is at its optimal operating temperature. This is crucial for both performance and vehicle longevity. Next, engage the Sport Plus driving mode, which prepares the car's systems for an aggressive launch. Familiarize yourself with your specific model's launch control features before proceeding. To engage launch control, firmly press the brake pedal all the way down with your left foot. Simultaneously, fully depress the accelerator pedal with your right foot. You should see a launch control message appear on your instrument cluster, indicating the system is armed and ready. Hold both pedals down steadily, feeling the engine rev to its optimal launch RPM. Once launch control is engaged, quickly and completely release the brake pedal. The car will then manage the perfect amount of power to the wheels, minimizing wheel spin and maximizing acceleration. Keep the accelerator pedal fully depressed throughout the launch. You'll feel the incredible G-forces as your Porsche 911 rockets forward with precision. After a thrilling launch, it's important to allow your car's components, especially the transmission and engine, to cool down. Avoid performing multiple launches in quick succession to prevent excessive wear. Always ensure you are in a safe, controlled environment like a track or a closed course when practicing launch control. Enjoy the power responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.